Well, it's time for some really hard problems right now. We're on page 146. We're going to be looking at before and after problems, so make sure you have your book open and read along with me. Sam had some U.S. and foreign stamps. The ratio of the number of U.S. stamps to the number of foreign stamps was 3 to 4. And you see that right here on the screen. He bought 21 more U.S. stamps, and the ratio became 9 to 8. So here I wrote plus 21 for the U.S., 21 more stamps, and after the ratio is now 9 to 8. But notice he did not buy any more foreign stamps. So this ratio of 4 for the foreign became 8 after buying the U.S. stamps, but it's the same amount of stamps. So this box should stay the same, but it just becomes 8 in the ratio. So what I need to do is multiply this by 2, or split each one of these boxes 2 ways, and now I have 8 sections, what used to be 4. So since I multiplied that by 2 on the first ratio, I can multiply this one by 2. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. But after buying these foreign stamps, or the U.S. stamps, the ratio is now 9. Well, before it was actually 6. So I need to add on 3 more, like that. Okay, now we have 9 to 8. So what just happened was, in adding on these 3 chunks to make 9, I added 21 stamps. So what would each unit be worth if there's 3 units worth 21? Well, that's pretty easy. 21 divided by 3, which would be 7 in each one. So each unit in this picture here is worth 7 stamps. Now, question A says, how many foreign stamps did Sam have? There is a total of 8 sections here worth 7 each. So the foreign is 8 times 7, or 56 stamps. I'm going to put ST for stamps. And what about the U.S. stamps? Well, he's got 9 sections, and at 7 each, that's 63 stamps. So there you have it. Pretty tricky. You might want to watch that a couple of times.